Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is Nell 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Update for our 74th Miss Universe competition. For this vlog ay malalaman natin ang ating top 15 most followed Miss Universe 2025 candidates on Instagram. Let's take a quick rundown of the queens who are ruling social media months before the big pageant. Taking the number 1 spot is no other than Miss Côte d'Ivoire Olivia Yase with an impressive 735,000 followers. Talaga namang solid ang support ng Africa at worldwide fans sa kanya. At nasa pangalawang pwesto naman ang ating pambato na walang iba kundi si Miss Philippines Maria Atisa Manalo with more than 576,000 followers and counting. Grabe, Atisa's fanbase is showing full force early on pa lang. Kasama rin sa listahan ng top 15 most followed on Instagram Miss Universe candidates sina Bulgaria, France, and Guatemala na pasok sa top 5. Pasok naman sa top 10 most followed candidates sina Ecuador, Cuba, Germany, Venezuela, and Argentina. And from top 11 to top 15, we have Iraq, Latina, Brazil, Albania, and Miss Universe Guadeloupe. Pero tandaan natin, social media popularity doesn't always mean sure win, but it does reflect global support, influence, and engagement. Malaking bagay ito, especially sa fan vote segments at online challenges. Kaya queens are also working hard to build their personal brand and connect with pageant lovers worldwide. Congratulations and good luck to all the top 15 most followed Miss Universe 2025 candidates on Instagram. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang suporta at abangan natin kung sino ang mag-shine the brightest sa main stage. This is Nell 2204, your pageant blogger host. Thank you so much for always watching this vlog and we will continue to give you an update. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.